Porsche went to the ends of the earth to test its first ever electric car, from deserts to snow, which is why we've ended up in the Arctic Circle just north of Helsinki in Finland. We've already sampled the flagship Taycan Turbo S. What we have here is the cheapest model in the range, the Porsche Taycan 4S. It's expected to cost about $200,000 when it goes on sale in Australia in late 2020. For 911 money, you get 911 performance, 0 to 100 in about 4 seconds. Best of all, at a glance, it looks like the $350,000 version. The four-door body was designed in a wind tunnel to more easily slip through the air, while still keeping traditional Porsche styling. In size, it slots between a 911 sports car and a Tesla Model S sedan. Inside, the Porsche Taycan comes with a curved 16.8-inch digital dash display, and there's the option of 2 touchscreens that stretch across the entire dashboard. The center console has a tablet-style display, the door pockets are huge, and there's plenty of storage in the cargo holds, back and front. There are charging ports on both sides of the car, so it's more convenient when recharging. And there are 2 grades of battery pack, standard range and long range, which takes the maximum distance possible from 407 kilometers to 463 kilometers. In addition to the braking power of the 2 electric motors, one each in the front and rear, Porsche has fitted massive race-bred brakes so it can easily pull up this 2.2-tonne sedan. Today though, Porsche has created a test with a twist. The massive 200-kilometre road drive was designed to show how little battery degradation there is in sub-zero temperatures. Despite being the cheapest model in the Taycan range, acceleration is phenomenal and instant. Even when accelerating from 80 or 100 kilometers an hour, you feel an instant surge as if taking off from rest. The suspension is also a highlight, the balance no doubt aided by the low centre of gravity thanks to the floor pan doubling as a battery pack. Eventually, Porsche let us loose on an ice rink. To make it more difficult, Porsche left the Taycan 4S on winter tyres rather than studded snow tyres to demonstrate the capabilities of its all-wheel drive system. It was so slippery it was almost impossible to stand. It was also next to impossible not to spin out.
I cannot explain to you how slippery this is.
This footage of the Taycan drifting perfectly is definitely not us, but the experience was still a telling insight.
That is slippery. Holy smoke. I can't believe this is an electric car.
After a bit more showing off from the instructor, we tried again.
Oh, that is sensational. Oh, that is so cool.
At times, the car's speedo was showing 180 kilometers an hour, even though the real speed was glacial. It was a testament to the durability of the electric motors. In the end, we decided the ice driving was best left to the experts. We'll get better acquainted with the Porsche Taycan when it turns up in Australia this time next year. In the meantime, the early signs are impressive.